Have you ever had a great idea, then completely forgotten it? Or you wrote something on paper, and later you can't find it? Today, I'm going to show you a simple but very powerful app inside Google Workspace that can help you organize your life, your work, your school, and even your business. It's called Google Keep. By the end of this video, you will know how to use Google Keep like a pro, for notes, reminders, checklists, voice notes, and even teamwork. So if you're a student, teacher, business person, or content creator, this video is for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Genius team for more tech tips and insights, and let's get started. What is Google Keep? Google Keep is a note-taking and reminder app from Google. It is part of Google Workspace, together with Gmail, Google Docs, Google Drive, Google Calendar, and others. Think of Google Keep like your digital notebook plus sticky notes plus reminder system, all in one place. Imagine you're a lecturer or student. You're in a taxi or boda, and suddenly you remember. I need to prepare exam questions. Instead of forgetting, you just open Google Keep, type it, and boom, saved. And the best part? It syncs automatically on your phone, your laptop, or any device you log into. How to open Google Keep? There are 3 easy ways. 1. On phone. Download Google Keep from Play Store for Android or App Store on iOS. 2. On computer. Go to keep.google.com. 3. From Gmail or Google Docs. On the right side, you'll see the Google Apps icon yellow circle, click it. Then navigate through the Google Workspace apps and select Keep, just like that. Creating your first note. Let's create a simple note. Click Take a Note and type. Prepare lesson on C++ arrays. This is a basic text note. Now imagine you're a teacher planning your week. You can create notes like mark assignments, prepare slides, meeting with head of department, or record content ideas for YouTube among others. This makes Google Keep perfect for teachers, students, business owners, and even content creators. Using checklists, to-do lists. Now let's create a to-do list. Click the checkbox icon and create weekly tasks like prepare lecture notes, mark tests, upload results, or record YouTube video. Now as you finish each task, you just tick. This gives you motivation, organization, and clear productivity. Instead of writing on many papers, everything is in one place. Setting reminders, very powerful. This is where Google Keep becomes very smart. Let's say you need to remind yourself to submit results at 5 p.m. Open a note, click the bell. Set time to 5 p.m. or location when I arrive at school. Now Google Keep will notify you automatically. Imagine you're busy teaching, then your phone says, "Submit results." That's productivity with technology. Voice notes and image notes. You can also record voice notes, take photos, and save them as notes. Imagine you're in a meeting. Instead of writing, just record a voice note. Or you take a photo of whiteboard notes, receipts, or class timetables. Google Keep can even extract text from images. Color coding and labels. To stay organized, use colors like blue for school, green for personal, yellow for business, or create labels like teaching, exams, YouTube, and meetings. This makes it very easy to filter and find your notes fast. Sharing and teamwork. Google Keep is also great for collaboration. You can share a note with a colleague, a student, a business partner, or check tasks. This is very useful in schools and offices. Why Google Keep is important in Google Workspace. Google Keep works smoothly with Gmail, Google Docs, Google Calendar, and Google Drive. It helps you stay organized, never forget important tasks, and also work smarter, not harder. Now you know how to use Google Keep like a pro. But wait, we talked about the Google Workspace and it has got numerous apps and features to ease your workflow. Check out this video for more about the 15 GB free cloud space from Google. I'm Hassan Kasula. Peace.